Welcome to the next part of the elements of design video. So let's start with first and most important element of design, which is line. So what is line? Line is the way that connect two and more than points with each other. Line encloses and divides space, creating shapes and forms. Seam lines divide and enclose space on a garment. There are two types of line, that is straight line, and second one is the curve line. So start with a straight line. A straight line can be placed in many direction on the garment. It could be placed in horizontally, vertically, and zigzag diagonally. In these garment you can see all the direction placed beautifully. Presence of a straight line gives very forceful message. Straight lines are masculine, strong, hard, formal, crisp, stiff. They are significantly used to make collars, closure of buttons, necklines, seam lines, tucks, pleats, folds, stripes, shapes, silhouettes. There are multiple use of a straight line. Next is curve line. Curve line can be spherical or gently curved line to look almost like a straight line. Curve line give the appearance of roundness and straight lines that of slimness. You can see the uses of curve line in the garments, and curve lines are fragile, gentle, romantic, graceful, sensual line. It is more feminine than the straight line. It emphasizes rounded, soft body curves and hold attention longer at one place. You can easily identify these lines in fabric patterns, neckline, collar, yoke lines, seam lines, gathers, trims. Next, I'm talk about the directions of line. These line used and placed on multiple directions like vertical, horizontal, diagonal, and zigzag. Uses of different directions of line add aesthetics and movement in garment, and every line direction create different visual illusion on garment. Like vertical lines place along the length of the garment, that is why it leads eye up and down. So eventually wearer look taller and thinner. The presence of vertical line in garment give the message of a strong and formal look. It leads eye up and down, so person seems tall, narrow, thin, and slim. You can examine in this picture model looks tall. Placement would be the opening of shirt and blouse, darts, pleats, panels, ties, pockets, and many more. On the other hand, the horizontal lines are placed across the garment, that is why wearer seems shorter and wider, and it has the essence of restfulness and gentleness, and it's particularly used to look casual and comfortable. Horizontal lines celebrate the essence of calmness, and they define most relaxed, stable, casual, and quiet looks. Horizontal lines place across the garment, that is why it leads eye movement right to left. Causes create an illusion of bulkiness, and wearer look shorter and fat. Horizontal line used to make necklines, collars, bow, tie, yoke, hemline, waistline, belts. But diagonal line goes from one corner to other corner, and it can be horizontally or vertically placed on the garment. You can see the example picture. Presence of diagonal line hold attention. It creates movement, active, instability, excitement, interesting patterns, dramatic, and restless feeling. Diagonal lines holding attention, that is why it reinforces the direction of dominant angle. You can easily spot it on the garments v-shaped neckline, opening collars, raglan sleeves, armhole, sides, seam, and many places. Last direction is zigzag lines, a lines that make sharp turns at regular inwards, creating Z shapes. This line is very prominent and it creates an illusion of bigness. You can easily spot these lines on recracked trims and herringbone weaves of fabrics. To watch other parts of this video, check the description box. You will get all the links there. Also, you can jump by clicking the I button on the right side of the video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.